Hi and welcome to AI Creative Academy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how small business owners and entrepreneurs can use ChatGPT to take their businesses to the next level. But first, let's quickly define ChatGPT for those who may not be familiar with it. ChatGPT is a chat-based language model developed by OpenAI that's been specifically trained on real-world conversations. It's able to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and styles of communication, making it a powerful tool for chatbots and other conversational AI applications. So, how can you use ChatGPT for your business? Here are a few ideas. Improve customer service. ChatGPT can be used to build chatbots that can answer customer questions and provide assistance 24/7. This can help you save time and resources while providing a better experience for your customers. Automate certain tasks. ChatGPT can be used to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, freeing up your time to focus on more important tasks. Generate content. ChatGPT can be used to generate content for your business, such as blog posts or social media posts. This can save you time and help ensure that your content is high quality and relevant. As you can see, ChatGPT has a wide range of potential uses for small businesses and entrepreneurs. So if you're looking to improve your customer service, automate certain tasks, or generate content, ChatGPT could be a valuable tool for you. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.